Let's start with you girls.
Morning, teacher.
Hi, good morning. Okay,
Good morning, teacher.
hi. Let's go with you, ladies. Hang on. Okay, welcome to this English class. Let's start first with our speaking part. We are only a few, but let's get started with you, okay? So, there it is. Oh, sorry. Okay, now let's start with this speaking. Hi, Naomi, are you there? Good morning. All right, that's the question that you have to do. What inventions have changed the world the most? Now, as you know, we were practicing active and passive voice, right? So please try to use passive voice in your answers. All right. Before that, let's do the feedback with this box that I sent you, which has how can you use the active and transform them into its passive voice. Remember that when I change the active, the passive needs the verb to be and the verb in past participle. Always. Verb to be, verb in past participle. Now the verb to be is what changes according to the tense. Remember the uses of the present simple is am is are, present continuous, am is are and being, past was or were, past continuous was or were being, present perfect has been, past perfect had been. Future will be and is as well with the other modal verbs can be, could be, should be, etc. Going to is going to be, infinitive has to be, modals as I told you, the modal and be. Okay? So, I want that in your answer of this speaking part, try to use passive voice. All right? Let me send the question again. Do you have any question before to start with the timeline? No questions? So let's get started. I will give you 1 minute to organize your idea and think about an invention that have changed the world the most. Okay? Let's go. So due to we are only three, you let me choose the order that you got, okay? So I will start with Gemma. Gemma do the question to Emmy, and Emmy do the question to Naomi. All right? So that's it. So Gemma, tell me, what inventions have changed the world the most?
For me, one of the most inventions in the world will be the washing machine. What was created by Albert J. Fisher. Okay, Amy, what inventions have changed the world the most?
Hi, Hemita. I think the world has been changed the most by the internet, electricity, cell phones, because our communication is most easier than uh, age ago. And many lives have been improved by medicine, I think, with um, different kinds of cancer or several, ¿cómo se dice? Enfermedades. Well, but yeah, it has been changing and have been improved our lives, I think. Okay, Naomi. Um, okay, Naomi, what inventions have changed the world the most?
I think the invention that have the most the word the most important for me is the internet, telephones, the airphones, because the communications has been improved, uh, information and has been shared mm, saying easy, share more easy. Sorry.
Very good, my ladies. Good job. Applause. Remember that. Oh, here's my emoji. All right. Remember that if you want to end up your part, you can say expressions that will be all, that's all, no more, or thank you. Okay? And you're getting better. Try to don't get so nervous and then you will get better. Good job, my ladies. All right. Now we have tests for today. 3 tests. Let's start with the first one. So the procedure will be the same. The same triangle. Hema, Emmy, and Naomi. Okay? I already told you that. Now, what do you have to do? I will do the first one. Look, you have a sentence. It could be active or it could be passive. You have to look up the backward of the tense. If the sentence is inactive, you have to look up the passive. If the sentence is in passive, you have to look up the active, all right? So in this case, we have to select the passive because the example is inactive. Orma Pamuk wrote the Museum of Innocence. So you have to look up which is. For that, identify the tense, which in this case is past simple. And I remember that the past simples need was and were with the past participle verb. So which one is the correct one? The red one. The Museum of Innocence was written by Orhan Pamuk. All right, so that's what you have to do. Get it? Yeah? All right, so let's start with this one. As the order that I told you. Go ahead. Remember, Hema, Emmy, Naomi. That will be the order, okay? So let's go.
Um, everyone loved her. And maybe the number one, she is loved by everyone because um, the three one is rara, está rara.
Loved, the verb loved, is in past simple. So the passive voice has to be in past simple. Is love, it's when the sentence inactive, it's in present simple. So it cannot be the first one.
Mm, she loved by everyone.
You need the verb to be to use the passive voice.
Sí, sí, sí funciona si utilizo is y was juntos.
Everyone else was loved by yeah, that might be a mistake here because it has to be
Mm,
everyone. She was loved by everyone. It's this one. Aquí hubo un error de escritura, but it was this one.
sí,
Ajá.
por eso es que no me
But don't
cuadraba eso.
worry. Okay, it was that one because I need the lady is and I say she was loved by everyone. Okay. All right. Thank you. Next.
Okay, Selim watered the plants. Mm, the plants were watered by Sam.
Yes. Very good. Thank you. Next.
Someone made a mistake. Um, A mistake is made by someone.
Okay, this is past simple because the verb says made, and is cannot be because this is for present simple sentences.
Okay. Um, a mistake was made by someone.
By someone. Yes, very good. That's the correct one. All right, next.
A burglar broke the window. The window was broken by a burglar.
Yes, very good. Next.
Malik drove the car. The car was driven by Malik.
Okay, was driven by Malek. Thank you. Next.
The cookies were eaten by the children.
Now you have to look at the active voice. Ahora está al revés. Busque active voice.
Were the children ate the cookies?
Yes, very good. Past simple. Thank you. Next. Again, this is active voice.
My bike was stolen by someone. Someone stole my bike.
Exactly. Good job. Next.
An old woman fed the pigeons. Mm, 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 mm. The pigeons were fed by an old woman.
All right. Yes, good job. Past simple as well. Next.
My sister was helped by Ali. Ali Ali is going to help my sister.
Well, in this case, I have was, which means that my active sentence has to be in past simple.
Ah,
So,
Um, Ali helped my sister.
all right, helped my sister. Thank you. We did it. Applause. All right, girls. Now, let's do the practice of the video. We have 30 questions in the following video. At the end of it, you have to send me how many answers did you do correctly, okay? Please pay attention and do your practice. Please send over here your attempts. How many answers did you do correctly, please? Thank you. Okay, we did it. Now, let's do the quiz. Okay, the quiz of today is active and passive voice. It's very easy because you will have sentences and you have to choose if they are active or passive instead, and multiple choice as well. Okay. So let me send you the link. Hang on a second, please. All right, done. Did I send you the link? Yeah. Let me send you to WhatsApp too. Okay. I told you it was easy. Very good, girls. Applause, applause. So you did it great. You have 90%. Excellent. Let's see the novelties. All right, here. Okay, this is passive because I have will and the verb to be with the verb in past participle. Here is also passive. Look, could not be heard. This is the verb to be and the verb in past participle with a modal verb. Here we have passive, was, and the verb in past participle. It was passive. And this is active. I didn't have any chance to see another part of the verb to be. It's only the verb, the action verb, which means this is in past simple sentence. So it's active. All right? But very good, ladies. You did a great job. Applause, applause. Good job. Perfect. Now, as a homework, I will send you the page. I think it's 82. Let me see. Yes. Page 82 is writing practice. Okay. This is about writing. Let me send you the homework on the chat. Hang on. All right, done. I sent it. Okay, my ladies, don't forget to send your homeworks because I didn't have the homeworks. No, I didn't have any homework. Only one, I think. Yes, only one. So please send your homeworks. What happened?
Teacher, es que creo que la página 80 ya nos había mandado antes, entonces, ajá, por eso.
It said 81. Ah, ya, era 81, martes, jueves, on Thursday. Pero ese día me hubiesen dicho, porque sí, era la página 81. Con el otro grupo sí les envié. ¿Cómo si no me dijeron? No querían más tarea, ¿verdad? So you have two homeworks. Sí, porque, ajá, aquí está, el otro grupo sí les envié, página 81. So let's do like this. Vamos a hacer lo siguiente. ¿No les envié página 81 a ustedes? 81, 81, 81, 81. Entonces, les queda, no vamos a hacer page 82, vamos a hacer page 81, porque esa es listening, esa sí o sí la debemos hacer. A ver. Ya les envío los audios. Done. And los audios ahorita mismo, porque después me olvido. Acá está. Ya, entonces esta les quedaría ahorita, ¿ya? Page 81. Son two audios. This is developing speaking. All right. Ya, ahí ya está todo. Ahí tienen la página y los audios, ¿ok? La página 82 entonces para la siguiente semana. Okay, ladies, we're done. Let's take the photo. Yeah, you count on 3. 1, 2, 3. Say cheese. Excellent. Okay, ladies, we will see you next class. Have a nice weekend. Goodbye. See you then.
Teacher, see you.
See you. Goodbye.
Hi, teacher, thank you.